I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. I'm standing in front of a custom shimmer wall panel with our logo printed on it. Did you know that we can very quickly turn around custom shimmer wall panels in any shape, any color, any size? We're doing stadiums, all kinds of things. We do all of this work for you. We just have a little bit of back and forth. You can send us your logo file right in the custom forms and we'll get to work for you. We have many different options for colors. We have all kinds of holographic options, shapes. You can do squares, circles. We have kind of chameleon or iridescent looks. We have different backings. So I wanted to show you a couple of different options we have for the backings and explain to you, why they exist and why you might use one over another. This is a clear grid. This would be great if there's nothing behind it. You have a blank wall, it might be a permanent installation. They'll snap together and they're easy to work with, super lightweight and wonderful. But what if you have something ugly that you're trying to obscure? That's where the solid panels would come in. I'm trying not to be too noisy with these. They can be a little bit noisy when you're kind of banging them around. Here are a couple of options, a white one and a black one. So white obviously is best for this one because it shows behind this. I built a greenery wall panel around it, but we needed this to be white behind because this particular wall was made on clear grid. So we had to have white behind it. Probably would have been a better choice for us to have made this one on a white panel as it was. Worked out fine for us because it's just for our use. Here's black. And this one's kind of holographic, really neat looking. And let's see, I'll just show you a couple of others here as we go along. Here's clear squares in different colors. This one changes colors as it moves around. It's one of the chameleon colors. If you're seeing on our website the samples that we have and the options that we have and you think that's just not exactly what I'm looking for, send us your file, your picture, your inspiration. We can do just about anything. Look at this. These are pretty pinks on black. We also have clear, solid. So you can see through it some, but you can see that it's kind of a transparent, opaque, solid backing. So there's basically no limit to what we can do for you. We'll turn it around fast. We'll give you a free, cheerful, no obligation quote. You can do, again, a printed style or an abstract. What abstract means is that we do your design, but every sequin, whether it be square or a circle, would be a solid color. So you could still do pictures that way, but if it's abstract, it wouldn't be as much detail as this printed one. We could have done our logo abstract. I don't think it would have looked as nice as printed like this, but it is an option. It just kind of chunks it up, especially if it's letters. So if you want to do an abstract style, that's better for a design, something that looks like a wave or something like that. So let us know how we can help. We can't wait to work with you.